Alright, so now welcome back to the channel, and we have been making this project. Just wanted to show you how far we have done. So today we're going to actually attach our sleeve. As you can see, is the sleeve. So I have attached it. So what you should do, let me just show you exactly what I was busy doing. First of all, you mark your shoulder part. You know the way your shoulder, when you want to actually do it, you just put your outfit together. I'll show you what you do. Okay. So you put your outfit together just like this. So you can see, let me show you this part, just like this. And then you iron it very, very well. So when you give it a good press, then you will have the shoulder. Remember, the back part was longer than the front part. So now when you get it very pressed, and then you can able to see your shoulder. And as well, the sleeve is what you should do. The sleeve as well, you get it pressed or you mark it. You know, when you were cutting your fabric, you mark your shoulder part, you mark the front side of your pattern and the back side of your pattern. All this this marking, they are very important, because when you are putting your garment together, if you do not match your marking together, it will not feel comfortable. So that's why it's very, very important to have those markings. All right, so this is what I did. So I put it together like this, just the shoulder part of the center of the shoulder part, and the center of my sleeve. So as you can see, so this is it. So I mark it here. So I pin it all together. Pin it together. You can see it's nice and matching, right? So the next step we're going to do now is to sew the sleeve. This is a shocking to sew the sleeve, and after sewing the sleeve, then I will go ahead and I will just fully, I will mark it how many inches or centimeters that I want to have with the hemming. I will just hem it like this. I will hem it before I put the garment together, the sleeve and the garment together. So let me go ahead and go to my sewing machine and sew mine. So you should go ahead as well and do yours. Okay, I will be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, let me show you what I did. So this is it. I sew it around my sleeve. So, and then I went ahead and fold the sleeve. I fold it around. So after I did 2 stitches, just like a decorative stitch, so that I can, yeah, it looks very good. Okay, that's what I did. So now the next step we should do now is to put the garment together. So this is what I did. So what you have to do is that when you actually want to put this garment together, you make sure your armhole actually fit together like this. Make sure you open all the seam, you press it open. So when you press it open, then it will be easy for you to just put together just like this. Alright, so make sure those ones are together. Make sure your hem area is together like this. So this is it, and then you pin it together. So you pin it together, and make sure when you are actually want to put it together, you should, that is when you have to use your measurement of your grand sleeve, your bicep sleeve. Then you measure it to make sure that all your your measurement is okay, then you put it together. All right, you just sew it. Now I'm going to sew mine from here now all the way. I will sew it here. I will stop here. Then of course here is our the split area. As you can see, it looks very nice. So that's how that goes. All right, so I will go now and sew it now. Then after sew it round, I will show you, and then I will hem my top. I will just hem it like this because with the hemming we actually I add 2 inches. Add 2 inches, and so that is what you should also do as well. You measure your length from the top down, and then that measurement that you measure at the initial stage is what you're going to use, and then the rest of the remaining fabric, just fold it in. You can let me just show you. You can do it like this. You just fold it once, or you can fold it like twice. All right, but in this case I'm going to just fold it once because my the raw edges is really quite neat. I overlock it very well, and what I like so much with this fabric is I use white thread actually to overlock the fabric, but it just looks as if it is brown color, as you can see. So it's really very nice that I did like this. So I will just fold it and sew it like this. So I will go ahead now to my sewing machine and sew mine. So you should go ahead and sew yours. All right, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back now. Oh, I need to cut off the excess thread. All right, so this is what I did. You can see it's nice and done. So let me just turn it around. This is what I did. I did both sides. So the next thing what you need to do now is just to give it a good press. Give it a good press. So this is the slit. So I did it nicely. You can see. Okay. So this is the armhole. It's nice and done nicely. So when you press it, everything will be flat. So I think it really went well. This is the other side of the armhole. You can see. So this side goes. So I really like it the way that it turned out very well. So that is how it goes. So when your customer comes to try it on, you can see if it's too big, you can always sew it out. You can hold it again according to the size of your client. And if you think it's too small, you can also adjust it. But it's always good to make something not too tight, because if it's too big, it's better than it's too small. Because when it's too big, you can always adjust it. But if you make your outfit too small, then it's difficult to do any necessary adjustment. So that is how it goes. So be careful when you are cutting your fabric and making your outfit. So far so good. It's really, I really like it. So what I would do with the placket, I'm just going to put a kind of press button. Maybe I do like 2 or 3 to put in the placket. I'll put one here, then I'll put one in the middle here. So however you do it, it will close up. So that is for that. Okay. Okay. So that is that. So I'm satisfied with it. Here is the pocket. You can see the breast pocket. It really looks nice. So you go ahead and get your work very pressed, and it looks gorgeous. I'm going to do mine too. Prepare it for the client to come and try it on and pick it up. So I hope the clients will be happy with the outfit. Okay, folks. Now, thank you very much for watching, and I really do appreciate that you people are watching my video, and I hope you guys can really learn something from it. And yeah, just go ahead and practice. As I always say, practice makes perfect. So when you don't practice, you don't do anything, you will not know how to do it. So you go ahead, don't be afraid to do it actually. So you go ahead and do it. Okay? Alright then. So I will actually see you guys in the next video. The next video we're going to cut out the matching pants that goes with it, because the person really want to have that matching pants. So we're going to do it, and then we also sew the matching pants. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next video. So have a good day everyone, wherever you may be, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.